me what's your project.
Good morning, sir. Sir, it is biodegradable plastic that we can use in future for as a fossil fuel and lack of the pollution environment. Just like we all know that plastic harm our environment a lot, just like our health and animals and a lot of things. So we made this plastic that compound by the using of three compound, that vinegar, starch and agar. We make this paste and we can form this paste by a plate, and we can change it in any type of model and in any type of shape for the further use. And this particular paste can easily dissolve in the water, and then we can further use it in many other things to recycle that process again. It is useful and nothing gonna to be waste in this whole process.
Better from polythene.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. It is better than polythene, and making the 3D paintings with it and packaging bags, and it wouldn't harm any type of food that inside it. Thank you, sir.
यहाँ भी कुछ बच्चों ने जो है ना मैथमेटिक्स के ही किसी टॉपिक पर अपना कोई प्रोजेक्ट तैयार किया है। आइए हम चलते हैं उनके पास और उन्हीं से पूछते हैं कि उन्होंने किस प्रोजेक्ट पर काम किया है और कैसे कैसे काम किया है। क्या नाम बेटा आपका?
My name is Vineet. Good morning, sir.
Good morning.
This model is about 2D and 3D shapes. This model explains us the difference between 2D and 3D shape. 2D shapes are those shapes which have two dimensions. It means they are making plane surface. It means they have x-axis and y-axis. Example: rectangle, circle, triangle, etc. 3D shapes are those shapes which have three dimensionals. It means they use x, y and z also planes.
Okay.
This is a circle. When we move this convert in a sphere. This is like a sphere. This is triangle. When we move this convert into cone. This cylinder. When we move this is converted into cylinder. Rectangle to cylinder.
Okay.
Thanks, sir.
नाइस बच्चों, बेटा बहुत बढ़िया काम किया बेटा, और ऐसे भी आगे भी अपना किसी न किसी प्रोजेक्ट पर काम करते रहो। अब हम कॉमर्स स्ट्रीम की तरफ चलते हैं और वहाँ बच्चों से पूछते हैं कि उन्होंने कॉमर्स से रिलेटेड किस टॉपिक पर काम किया है और कैसे काम किया है। आइए, कौन देख रहा है बेटा? आप देख रहे हो? बताओ बेटा, एक तो पहले अपना नाम बताओ। व्हाट्स योर नेम?
My name is Lakshita.
किस प्रोजेक्ट पर काम किया बेटा?
So women empowerment.
विल यू एक्सप्लेन?
Yes, sir. So in women empowerment, we have taken different types of topics. So first of all is Beti Bachao, and second one is Beti Padhao, and third one is Beti Khilao, and the fourth one is itself Mahila Sashaktikarana.
Okay.
In the first stage we are explaining Beti Bachao, in which we have to save girls. This was a condition of our country that girls used to suicide because of depression, because they didn't get married, and the male family used to ask for dowry. And the second one is that the female got beaten in her family because because her family didn't give them dowry. And the third one is the father is killing her infant daughter because they have to arrange a heavy dowry for her wedding in future. There was a condition of India in ancient times, and it have been changed much a lot in India now, and we have explained it in several stages.
Okay.
So in the second stage we'll explain my mate Vanshika.
Vanshika? Yes. Good morning. Beta, will you tell me that in present scenario why there is need to save girl child?
Sir, there is a very advantage of saving girl child. Here we are explaining Beti Khilao. बेटी पढ़ाने के साथ साथ हमें कुछ पेरेंट्स बेटी पढ़ा भी देते हैं और कुछ पेरेंट्स बेटी बचाते भी हैं, बट जब खिलाने की बारी आती है बहुत से पेरेंट्स रिफ्यूज़ टू बेटी खिलाओ. हेयर वी आर एक्सप्लेनिंग बेटी खिलाओ. सानिया मिर्ज़ा, साइना नेहवाल, गीता कुमारी फोगाट, बबीता कुमारी फोगाट have played a major role for our country. And the biggest example is Geeta and Babita Fogart. Their father were very supportive even when the village is against them, because only they were girls. And they won the gold in the Commonwealth Olympic Games. Next.
Hello, फर्स्ट चॉइस बैंक आप देख रहे हैं यहाँ पर, बच्चों ने बड़ी मेहनत के साथ बनाया है। ये कमर्शियल बैंक है। बाकी डिटेल्स के बारे में हम नीति से बात करते हैं एक बार।
A fresh and warm good morning. Myself Neeti and all my teammates. Today we are presenting a model of commercial bank. Through this model we can express some important features about commercial bank. Commercial bank is a bank that offers facilities to the general public and also to the companies. There are different types of departments such as may I help you, locker room, transaction, foreign exchange and etc. You can explain, Kanak?
अब आगे जो है आपको ना फर्दर कनक विल एक्सप्लेन।
Here are different type of department like loan department, locker room, cash deposit, cash withdrawal. May I help you, bank manager. Loan department, you can take loan from loan department, and in locker room you can deposit your cash. From cash withdrawal and cash deposit, you can deposit and withdraw your cash. And there you can open your new account. If you want any another inquiry or any help, you can ask. May I help you for that? Thank you.
It is very well built by the students. It's a demo or it's a model of commercial banks. So thank you very much.
ये हमारे धर्म पब्लिक स्कूल के कुछ बच्चे हैं जिन्होंने स्पेशली मैथमेटिक्स के ऊपर एक प्रोजेक्ट तैयार किया है। अमूमन देखा तो ये गया है कि मैथमेटिक्स के ऊपर बहुत कम बच्चे ऐसे होते हैं जो किसी प्रोजेक्ट पर काम करते हैं, मगर हमें खुशी है कि हमारे स्कूल के इन बच्चों ने किसी टॉपिक पर अपना प्रोजेक्ट तैयार किया और हम बच्चों से ही पूछते हैं कि उन्होंने किस टॉपिक पे ये प्रोजेक्ट अपना तैयार किया है। What's your name?
My name is Diksha Mangla.
And explain beta.
Our project is based on the application of trigonometry. Trigonometry is based on the distance and height of any object. We can easily find the distance of any two objects by using the clinometer. In our model, we find the distance of ship in ocean from the lighthouse by using the clinometer. Clinometer is a device which easily find the angle of any object. Thank you.
Welcome. Thank you, sir.
Miss Priyanka Gupta. I am from Maharaja Aggarsen Vidya Mandir School, and I made this project. Its name is automatic street light, and it works when sunlight is gone. The light automatically on, and the light will come. The sunlight is occur, and the light will close itself.
My name is Manish. I am from Maharaja Aggarsen Vidya Mandir School. We make an automatic street light project. It is of a model and it is main socket. It works when there is no sunlight. When there is dark, lights blow up automatically. And when there is light, lights blow down. Thank you, sir.
Good morning, sir. We are from Taxila Public School. Today we are here for represent our topic Solar City. And now my students will explain about solar city and solar energy.
This common type of human energy is usually produced from photovoltaic cells that capture sunlight and turn into electricity. Now I will tell you about use of solar energy. Solar power used to heat building, hot water as well as for cooking and lighting.
Electricity produced with the help of green energy all over the world. India got a 5th position. India produced 57 gigawatt energy. First position get China. He produced 340 gigawatt energy. Thank you, sir.
Bharadwaj from St. Anthony's Convent School, and these are our students representing a.
Good morning, everyone. We are the students of St. Anthony's Convent School. Today, I, Harshita, and my co-partners are going to represent this model. Our model name is Reimagining Energy System.
You know, one of the greatest threats to humankind is climate change, which is fostered by burning of fossil fuels. We need some innovations that can decrease the consumption of fossil fuels and reduce electricity consumption. So this model demonstrates the sensor-based street lights that will only triggered by the movement of vehicles and pedestrians on the street. So
this smart street lighting system is based upon MIU, which means that when there is no light during the night time, then this will send us signal to the microcontroller, which automatically turns on these automatic street lights.
So during the night time, this car will go, and these we have applied the sensor name is motion reference unit. So when the car will go in front of the sensor, the lights will turn on. Right now they are not visible because of the environmental light already present in it. And we have applied these lights because in winter there's a lot of fog. So in India the ratio of deaths due to fog is around 37,000 per annum. So this will make the road visible and prevent the accident due to it. And if our project will go on higher level, we'll try to make roads by plastic that were first made in Chennai in 2004.
Yes, we are from St. John's Baptist Public School. So we present here 3 models. First of all is human eye, then there is an alimentary canal, and the last one is axon. So students will present. Pankaj?
Sir, this is a model of human eye. Here any light beam are present, just like a phone torch or any hand torch are present here. Then light beams reflect on them. Concave lens are present here. Then it receives signal. Optic nerve sends signal to brain. Then which one image you see samne. Then image. Then our brain sends signal to optic nerve through eye. Then our hands, our legs are working towards the image what we have seen. It is only this is explained in this project. Now the digestive system. Is
Good morning, sir. This is our digestive system project. This is the mouth where salivary amylase is present. Salivary amylase is responsible in the breakdown of the glucose. Then the food goes through the esophagus, which is also known as food pipe. Then it goes into the stomach where axial pepsin and mucus is present, and they help in the digestion of the food. After then the food goes into the small intestine where the complete digestion of protein, carbohydrates happens. Protein in small intestine, protein converts into amino acid, and fats convert into fatty acid and glycerol, and carbohydrate convert into glucose. After then the food goes into this large intestine where our food is reabsorbed, and through the anus the waste material is excreted.
Good morning, sir. We are from MVM Education Academy, SRT, or our student make projects on
Solar power irrigation system.
My name is Piyush. I read in 7th class. My school name is MVM Educational Academy. My project is a volcano.
Good morning, all of you. My name is Isha. I read in 9th class. My project name is Wind Generator System. My name is Komal from 6th class. हमारे प्रोजेक्ट का नाम है सोलर पावर इरिगेशन सिस्टम.
बेटा एक्सप्लेन करोगे इसके बारे में? एक्सप्लेन करो बेटा. ये लो माइक ले लो हाथ में.
Solar power irrigation system. Electricity is generated by solar photovoltaic PV panels and used to operate pumps for the obstruction, lifting or distribution of irrigation water.
ये हमारे धर्म पब्लिक स्कूल के कुछ बच्चे हैं जिन्होंने स्पेशली मैथमेटिक्स के ऊपर एक प्रोजेक्ट तैयार किया है. अमूमन देखा तो ये गया है कि मैथमेटिक्स के ऊपर बहुत कम बच्चे ऐसे होते हैं जो किसी प्रोजेक्ट पर काम करते हैं, मगर हमें खुशी है कि हमारे स्कूल के इन बच्चों ने किसी टॉपिक पर अपना प्रोजेक्ट तैयार किया, और हम बच्चों से ही पूछते हैं कि उन्होंने किस टॉपिक पे ये प्रोजेक्ट अपना तैयार किया है. What's your name?
My name is Diksha Mangla. And
explain beta.
Our project is based on the application of trigonometry. Trigonometry is based on the distance and height of any object. We can easily find the distance of any two objects by using the clinometer. In our model, we find the distance of ship in ocean from the lighthouse by using the clinometer. Clinometer is a device which easily find the angle of any object. Thank you.
Welcome. Thank you, sir. किसी प्रोजेक्ट पे काम किया है और हम बच्चों के पास चलते हैं, उनसे पूछते हैं कि उन्होंने जो है ना इस प्रोजेक्ट पे कैसे. बच्चों ने किसी प्रोजेक्ट पे काम किया है, अभी हमें नहीं पता कि उन्होंने किस प्रोजेक्ट पे काम किया है, तो हम बच्चों के पास ही चलते हैं और बच्चों से ही पूछते हैं कि उन्होंने अपने इस प्रोजेक्ट पे किस तरह काम किया है.
Good morning, sir. My name is Vanda Sharma. She is my teammate Diya Sharma. We have made a project on topic water distillation. First of all, I want that you will know clearly what is distillation. Distillation is a process that releases evaporation to purify water. Contaminated water or impure water is heated to form steam. We have taken here 3 pipes. One pipe is used to attach with pump, and the other pipe are taken to evaporate hot and cool water. In other words, and at last we can also say that this is the system or experiment used to know that how to convert impure water into pure water. Thank you.
थैंक यू बेटा. What is about your project?
So our project is about a hydrogen oxygen fuel cell. So this is basically a solution of sodium hydroxide. In this solution we do the process of electrolysis. According to the process of electrolysis, when we pass electricity through a solution, the components of the compound breaks. So in this compound, when we do the electrolysis process, hydrogen gas will evolve out. The gas will pass through this pipe and will collect through this right over here. In this bottle we use water for conduction of hydrogen gas. The hydrogen gas will evolve out through this pipe, through that syringe. To show the presence of hydrogen gas, we took a flammable thing, some matchbox or candle, to show the presence of hydrogen gas. This model we can use for in vehicles and automobiles. The next generation which will make vehicles use this process, so that there will be no wastage of natural resources such as petrol and CNG gas, etc. Okay. And this cell is also firstly used in Apollo space aircraft, because in space, according to this reaction, water will also evolve out. So in space where there is no water, this process will also generate electricity as well as water, which is very helpful for the astronauts. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.